Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be making some nobakes. They are super easy. My stepdaughter loves them. She's having a housewarming party, so we're going to make some. They're so easy. Just melt together a bag of butterscotch chips and about 1 to 1.5 cups of peanut butter. Once that's all melted, stir in the cornflakes, about 6 cups of cornflakes. And once they are all stirred, all the cornflakes are covered up well, just spoon them onto some wax paper into, like, however size, whatever size you want to make them, and let them harden. It makes a really large amount. I'm not even sure how much, but it makes a large amount of these no-bake cookies, and they're super good. We're getting there. Just keep stirring and stirring. Keep it on a nice low heat. Yeah, I have it. Yeah, there. We just keep stirring until everything's melting.
I can't watch YouTube and it says
Alright, looks pretty well. Turn off the heat. Move it over here. So we got it all. We have it all stirred and covered good. So next we have to remove the cat from the table. Come on down, sweetie pie. Thank you. And we'll get some parchment paper. So parchment or wax paper on the table.
no Nutella no bakes.
Nope. The peanut butter ones. You like these ones.
But I like Nutella ones more.
But Maddie asked if I could bring these.
Can we bring both?
Not today.
Look, I was gonna ask you if you could make a video of me hammering. I can hammer.
So we're all done. Make a big variety of sizes and just let them chill because they're no bakes and they're delicious. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.